dragging cell data. To begin, we'll need to open any web browser. Let's create a new Google Sheet by typing sheet.new into the address bar and hitting enter. With our new Google Sheet open, I'll now choose a template. For this demonstration, I'm opening a weekly data file. One fundamental technique is copying the exact same value from one cell to multiple other cells. Imagine we're tracking weekly data. I'll type 30 into a cell. To transfer this data, I'll select the cell, and you'll notice a small blue circle at the bottom right corner of the highlighted cell. Hover your mouse over this circle until it turns into a plus sign. Once you see that, click and drag the circle across the cells where you want to duplicate the value. It's a quick way to transfer the same number across columns or rows. Alternatively, you can use the traditional copy and paste method. Select the cell, copy it, then drag to highlight as many target cells as desired. Right-click and paste to duplicate the value across those cells. However, using the drag method is often faster for repetitive data entries. Google Sheets also intelligently recognizes patterns. Let's say you have a sequence such as numbers for a list of students. If you have numbers 8, 9, and 10 typed in sequential order, select these cells. The blue circle appears again, and when you drag it down, Google Sheets will continue the numbering sequence automatically. This pattern recognition also applies to dates and other sequential data. For example, I'll enter December 1st, 2024 into this cell. By selecting the cell and dragging the blue circle across, Google Sheets should continue the date pattern, filling in subsequent days as you drag the circle to the right. And there you have it.